Hello, good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Okay, children. Uh, Today we are going to learn about this in this video, that is poem number 5, What the Leaves Said. In the previous video, we learned about the poem that is Skylark, what that the singing bird, it's a singing bird, we learned it. So in this poem, we are going to see the how the life of the leaves are going to be. Okay, children. And I want to tell you that many of you people have wrote the FA3 paper also. Okay, children, and also complete your all your classwork book, that is all the subject classwork book. Okay, complete it very well. So children, open your textbook, that is page number 68, poem number 5, What the Leaves Said. First I'll read the poem, then I explain it one by one. So children, let us see the pre-reading activity. Do you think the color of the leaves in a tree remain the same through the year? Yes. Do you think that? No, it goes on changing according to the season. Next one. Have you ever wondered how leaves appear on trees and why they wither and fall? Wither means fall from the tree. Okay. Have you wondered that why the leaves fall from the tree in some seasons? Yes or no? So we are going to see in this poem how the life of the leaves are, how the color changes it. So in India we are having the seasons. Season starts, that is we are having 4 seasons, that is summer, autumn, spring, rainy and winter season. Yes or no? These are the seasons we find it. In each season we live a different kind of. In summer season we wear cotton clothes. In winter season we wear woolen clothes. Yes or no? That is to avoid from the cold we use the very warm clothes. In summer season, that is there will be too much of hot. So we wear a cotton dress and we keep our body cool. So we eat cold drinks and everything. So in this poem, how the leaves are going to be. So let us see this one. The leaves said, it's a spring, and here are we opening and stretching on every tree. The leaves said, it's summer. Each bird has a nest. We make the shadow where they can rest. The leaves said, it's autumn. Aren't we all gay? Scarlet and golden, and russet were they. The leaves said, it's a winter. Weary are we? So they lay down and slept under the tree. This is what the poem describes about the life of the leaves. So let us begin. See children, in this slide I have shown in the this some photo, that is shivering of a leaves here. The leaves said it's a spring, and here are we opening and stretching on every tree. Stretching means extending and expanding. See here the spring season, in this spring season the leaves starts growing. They gave a new life to the tree. They grow on every tree, that is it's we start opening and growing. So in the same way the spring season is considered as the life of the birth of a baby also. The baby gives the birth, it started living. In the same way, the leaves are also growing on every tree in spring season. Spring season is very pleasant season. Yes or no? It is considered as a very beautiful season in the country. Next. Next, it comes to the leaves said, it's a summer. Each bird has a nest. We make the shadow where they can rest. Yes, see the children. In summer, the climate will be very hot. Yes or no? We to avoid the hot, what we'll do? We will sit under the fan, or we put the AC in our house. Yes or no? In the same way, to get the shade for the birds and everything, the leaves help for the birds to make a nest and where they can rest their babies and small young ones of their babies. Yes or no? Summer is very hot. So the leaves said in summer season they help the birds to make a nest and take the rest where their young ones or eggs can be kept. So in this the life of the man is considered as youth season. Yes or no? The man will be in youth. The baby grows from the youth. The leaves said, it's autumn. Aren't we all gay? Gay means cheerful and happy. Scarlet means red color. The color of the leaves become red color. And golden and russet. Russet means reddish brown color. Where they. It means in the autumn, the color of the leaves changes. See children, that is shown in the picture of the leaves of the color of the leaves also. It changes into red, golden and brown in color. Means they are happy and gay means very cheerful during autumn season. Yes or no? So in this season, the leaves are very happy because it changes its color. Next see here. The leaves are, it's a winter, very means tired, RV. So they lay down and slept under the tree. So children, in this season, that is in winter, the leaves become very tired. So they fall from the tree, they detach themselves from the tree and fall down. Yes or no? See the house, the leaves are falling down under the tree. This is the what the poet says in this poem. Okay, children, I hope you understood the poem. This poem symbolizes the four different stages of man. That is, birth, it goes to the spring season. Youth, it goes to the summer. Old age, it goes to the autumn. And death, it goes to the winter. So, in this way, the poet tried to describe the nature of leaves in different seasons. Okay, in each season, that is in spring season, the leaves open themselves and completely stretch on over trees. So the trees are always filled with leaves. And during summer, the birds build nests on branches and the leaves protect the nest of birds during summer season. And in autumn season, the color of the leaf changes into red and brown color. Okay, and they are very happy in this autumn season also. And in winter season, the leaves themselves fall from the tree and lay down. Okay, this what the poet tried to describe the nature of the leaves. I hope you all understood this poem. Okay, children. In the next video, I'll explain the and glossaries and summary of the poem. Okay. First, write this poem neatly in your class book. Okay. Okay, children. I'll catch you in my next video. That is, I'll explain the question answers and glossaries and everything. Okay, children. Bye and take care of yourself. Okay.